How to make anamorphic lens effect in Davinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel, click on Open FX, and search for glow. Drag the glow effect into your video in timeline. With your video selected, open up Inspector panel. From Effects tab, increase HV ratio to 1, set gain to around 1, click on the color filter, and choose a color you like. Now we have this anamorphic effect, but let's remove the effect and apply the effect to only part of the video. With the play head above your video, open up Color page. Go to Effects panel and search for glow. Drag the glow effect into your node. Again, increase H/V ratio, gain, and choose a color. Now from Window tab, click on one of the masks that fulfill your needs. Here I add an ellipse mask. From this drop-down, choose Power Window to see the mask in the preview. Adjust mask size and position and soft edges. Now the effect is only applied under this mask, and we can go back to the Edit page.